Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Maisha here. Today we're going to learn about bold tag, emphasize tag and strong tag. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if you like this video. Okay, so this is what I have here. I have already coded everything so that I don't have to slowly code in front of you guys. I will put all the codes in my GitHub repository or somewhere, and I will link them down below. So don't worry about the codes. They're very easy. You don't even need them, but still I'll provide them. So today we're going to know what is bold tag, what is strong tag, and what is emphasize tag, and what are they used for, and what is their difference.
Let me show you what these tags look like. Just comment.
This is a bold tag. Bold tags are used for seeking attention. Suppose in a paragraph you want your viewer's attention on certain word. For example, if you're talking about how to write about lifestyle blogs, so you want your users' attention on the word lifestyle. You want the word lifestyle to be in bold, so the user automatically sees it and knows that okay, this is about lifestyle or something. So that's why you use bold tag, to seek attention on certain words or text in your paragraph. Now next is the strong tag. Strong tags are used for urgent, important text. If you're saying something very important, something very urgent, and you want immediate attention on that word, you use the strong text. Also, your browser knows what a certain word in your paragraph is seeking attention for. If it's for urgent news, you use strong word, and the browser knows that okay, this is an urgent word. This word is urgent, important, and it needs immediate attention. So obviously these tags have its importance in browser and in your paragraph, in your content. So you should use these tags for their main purposes. The third tag is emphasize tag. Okay, so the emphasize tag. Emphasis tags are used to change the meaning of a sentence. As in, like if I say, I had to do this work. So the word had is emphasized. You're emphasizing with your voice. The same way you want to emphasize certain word in your text so that when the user reads it, he or she understands that this word is little emphasized or it's little bold in saying or understanding, not necessarily bold in styling, but bold in importance, meaning. So you use the tag emphasize, which is EM. Now I'm going to use these tags in these two paragraphs for you to understand why these tags are used and how it's giving these paragraphs a meaning. So let's start coding. So let me read this paragraph. It's a very stupid story, I know, I just made it up. So if you like this story, give this video a like. If you don't like this story, still give it a like, at least I'll know. Okay, enough of bluffing. So now let's put these tags in these paragraphs. It was Halloween. It's up to you which words you want to make bold. For example, here I want to make the word Halloween bold, so that the viewers or the readers when reading understand that oh, it was Halloween, so they remember this time. And then I was walking alone at night, going back home. While walking, I suddenly noticed that someone was following me. So I started walking fast. He started walking fast too. At that point, I had no choice but to run. Let's put emphasis on the word but. Because here it's a little strong. When you read it, you want your readers to feel it. Like at that point, I had no choice but to run. The man wearing a black hat. I want to make this black hat bold, because why not? This is an information and I want to take my reader's attention on the word black hat. Let's go to the next paragraph. The next day I saw this news. So let's make the breaking news word as strong, since it's a breaking news. The next day I saw this news. Breaking news. A man saw a ghost. Now in this paragraph, these are the words that I wanted to emphasize. I wanted to put emphasize on or make bold. That's just my way. You can do whatever you like, but this is why you use these tags. It's to give meaning to your content, to your texts. There are more. For today, I'm going to keep it up to these 3 tags. I'm going to keep on making more videos on more tags, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like if you like it, how I'm teaching, if you like my teaching technique, and share with your friends who are keen on learning HTML. Share with them and comment down below whatever you think. If you think it's bad, it's good, or I should change my teaching technique, or I should work on something, don't hesitate to comment. Just comment down below. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.